Why should I check for animal damage every season? Checking every season helps you find small animal problems before they cause expensive damage, health risks, or major repairs. Animals can enter your attic, walls, chimney, crawl space, roof, or garage while searching for food, warmth, water, or a safe place to raise their young. Each season creates different risks, so a home that looked fine a few months ago may have new damage now. In spring, birds, squirrels, and other animals may build nests, chew materials, or squeeze through small openings to care for babies. In summer, animals may enter through damaged screens, vents, or roof edges while looking for water and shade. In fall, rodents often seek warm shelter before cold weather arrives, and they can enter through a hole about the width of a pencil. In winter, animals may damage insulation, wiring, shingles, and ductwork while trying to stay warm. Look for droppings, scratching sounds, greasy rub marks, torn insulation, chewed wires, holes, nests, and unusual smells. A useful but often missed clue is a fresh opening with clean edges, which can show that an animal recently pushed or chewed its way inside. Walk around your home each season, check the roofline and vents from the ground, inspect the attic and crawl space with a flashlight, and repair openings quickly without trapping an animal inside. One common mistake is sealing a hole immediately because an animal or babies may still be inside, so first confirm that the space is empty or contact a wildlife professional. Another mistake is cleaning droppings without protection, since dust can carry germs, so wear gloves and a properly fitted mask and follow safe cleanup guidance. Some homeowners also focus only on the roof, but animals can enter through foundation gaps, loose siding, chimneys, plumbing openings, and garage doors, so inspect the entire outside of the home. Finally, do not rely only on poison, because it can leave an animal dead inside a wall and may harm pets or wildlife, so use exclusion repairs and humane removal methods instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.